The Weld-In flange is already welded into the vessel's bottom. Start inside the vessel by placing the larger O-ring on the notch of the Weld-In flange. Put the inner bearing onto the bearing pin of the Weld-In flange. Ensure that it is seated correctly. Note, it should not be possible to turn it in any direction. Then place the small O-ring in the groove of the retaining bolt. Finally, take the retaining bolt and screw it into the flange. Fasten it according to the tightening torque table that you either can see here displayed briefly or that you can find in the ZETA operating manual. Afterwards, the mixing head can be placed on the inner bearing. Be careful that the ceramic bearings are not damaged. Do not tilt or forcefully place the mixing head on the inner bearing. Now, let's move on to the drive unit's assembly, right on the vessel's bottom. We take the drive unit and fasten all 4 of its screws by hand, one by one. Then we take a wrench to fasten all 4 screws completely. Should any questions arise, don't hesitate to contact us directly via the following QR code or email address. Thanks for watching.